Okay, it's October the 12th, 2018. We just got to Rain Lake and it's a beautiful fall day. The colors are yellow. Some of the leaves are down already. It's a beautiful put-in. Never been here before. Okay, here we are. First our campsite for the next 3 days on the I guess south side of Rain Lake, right on the point. About halfway down. Beautiful campsite.
We have the Motel Comfort up in the back.
Absolutely beautiful.
Right at the island.
It's 1:15, so it didn't take us long at all. We had a nice leisure paddle. Wind from the back. Beautiful.
This is a Schneisen site.
Even a table here. Well, we're just gonna go and have a look at there's some firewood for tonight. It'll last about an hour. Just a little trail. And there's a beautiful flat spot for the tent and overlooking the lake. Wow, beautiful. So it's 20 after 5 and Friday, and we just put the steaks on the barbie here. Got some good coal going. The steaks are going. Oh, that looks good. We had our first little flurry activity here, so we put up a tarp and well, after all, it is the end of October, or the middle of October I should say, and it is beautiful out here. I just cut a whole pile of wood. Well, Keith, what do you think?
Oh, are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
I'm starved.
It's October 13th, Saturday morning. 8 o'clock, right on the dot. Yep, and the sun is just coming up over the trees here. Keith just made a little fire.
Fell apart.
Trying to burn my bubba. That's okay, we saved it. Lake is just like a mirror. And no clouds. Gonna be a nice day. I'm gonna. It was cold during the night. It was really cold. But good sleeping bags will solve the problem.
It did?
Well, in my case it did. I don't know about yours. So anyway, I'm gonna see if I can get both of us in the shut here.
Good morning.
That's what we look like.
Yeah. You don't want me to take my hat off.
All right. Had a little incident last night. Keith was sitting in his nice chair, and well, thermal rust makes a chair, and it's not Algonquin approved. There we go. So it's 9 o'clock, and we just did a bush repair of the chair.
302 chair.
Yeah, that's right.
Front leg broke last night.
Yeah.
Almost went in the fire. Shall I try it now?
Sit down and see what it does. Kid Products Engineering
Sort of
fixed
like
it.
sitting on a very cold, wet kaibo.
Well, Kid Product Engineering came through.
It even has a wiggle. Look at that.
Yeah, there you go.
This is great. Thanks, Ingo.
Not a problem. So we're just taking a little portage here into Sawyer Lake and then on to Jubilee. Just a little day trip. Keith is in front of me. Yeah, just beautiful. It's relatively flat. Nice. Alright, Saturday's dinner, sausages. And we had some sun shining on the opposite shoreline there. Beautiful evening. A lot warmer than yesterday. Keith is just making, well Keith, what are you making?
Sidekicks.
Sidekicks.
Sidekick. What kind do we got? I even forget.
Oh, looks good.
What were the ones we had in?
Which ones did you
The
make?
garlic, creamy garlic Raffaello.
Sounds great. And after that, for dessert, we're gonna have what? Coffee and
Oh yeah, chocolate brownies.
brownies. Great.
Yeah, and a hot chocolate.
I guess we're gonna dig in now. Oh, Sunday morning. Just had a coffee, no breakfast yet. Made a little fire here, just to warm up. It was another cool night, not as cold as the night before. Patches of blue sky. Keith's chair is holding up so far. Probably good for another night. Well, it's Sunday and we're having a late breakfast. It's actually 11:30. I'm just doing the bacon here. Keith is making a mess. He's making a big fire. We got a few logs on. Working on it. So far it's a beautiful morning. Some blue sky. Seen a few guys going by. I guess going home. Sunday. Just another shot of the campsite. Morning, Keith.
Morning, Ingo.
Oh, you doing the dishes already?
No, I forgot to clean the frying pan last night.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
Well, we had some oatmeal already this morning. Actually, my brother's favorite.
Wallpaper paste.
Wallpaper paste. But it actually did the trick. We had a little rain shower this morning at 7 o'clock just to get the tarp and the tent wet. But it's time to leave this morning. It was a beautiful campsite here. Stayed up quite a bit yesterday. I had a huge fire going. Well, I better do some drawing. Well, we're on the way home. It rained all the way paddling back to the dock at Rain Lake, and stopped in Huntsville. And now we're on the way back. We're just past Gravenhurst. Quite a great time, and certainly a lake to visit again. And the ranger cabin there at Rain Lake is beautiful, ain't it? Yeah.
You should rent that next year after weekend after Thanksgiving for 4 days.
Yeah.
3 nights anyway.
So that'll be a good idea. Anyway, I'm going to sign off now, and just our little weekend excursion here.